This is a quick demonstration of something that my multifunction table saw jig can do. I have it set up in the pattern cutting mode, and basically the blade is just below the pattern cutting guide, I'll call it. It is lined up exactly with the edge of the board, so that anything that runs against this guide is going to be trimmed flush by the blade. And as an example, I have a box that I built out of MDF for my dust collection. Just a dust bin. A little bit of a ridge right here. To be honest, it's because I was in a hurry and I measured incorrectly. So it's about a 1/16 of an inch to an 1/8 of an inch, somewhere in there. Overhang lip, and it's not a big deal. It's not hurting anything to be there, but it gave me the perfect example of how this can be used. Okay, I had to change the clamp because it was in the way. So I haven't run something this big through the using this jig before, so I had to change the clamps to these ones here so that they don't go past the board here. So here we go. It's perfectly flush. So that's just one way to use that jig.